Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through Flood Risk Management Map overview in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. We'll start by entering the Flood Risk Management module of the tool, selecting our Resiliency Action Plan, and selecting an action workflow type. In the Flood Risk Management Map, we can select the flood hazard type we want to view, the recurrence interval, or the layer's opacity. If we zoom in, we can see the regulatory floodplain under the flood hazard type that is currently selected. The default will be the 100-year recurrence interval. We can also increase or decrease the opacity or hide or unhide the flood hazard layer selected. We can view the high tide inundation scenarios for minor, moderate, and major high tide inundation scenarios, changing the opacity or scenario using the sliders at the top of the window. We can return to the original view of Johnston County centered on the screen by selecting the Home button at the bottom right corner of the map. We can also select which layer is shown on the map. The map layer picker is grouped by boundaries: flood risk, buildings, environment, policy and planning, infrastructure, and community profile. We can sort through the layers and turn layers on or off. We can turn off single layers or entire groups of layers by clicking the eye icon. This map layer picker can be moved, expanded, or minimized. To view symbology of the layers that we have selected, we can select the Legend button. The legend will show the layers in the order that they appear on the screen. We can also change the base map displayed. The base map gallery includes topographic, street imagery, imagery with labels, enhanced contrast maps, or ortho imagery base maps. Any layers that are loaded, even if they are not visible, will be shown here in the data layer sources. Most of the layers will have service URLs, and some of the layers will have descriptions. We can navigate the map by clicking the screen, or we can search by an address, place, or intersection. We can return to the original map extent and display by selecting the Home button. That's it. You've just learned about the Flood Risk Management Map overview in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more help, visit youtube.com/@ncdeq.